Hey, this is the unboxing video of the Blackvue DR900X 2-channel plus. I bought this from Black Box My Car. You can see the link down below. And also please subscribe to my channels if you like more of this content. All right, along with this, I also bought the Blackvue CPO filter. This will go on the camera. I'll show you guys that later. But here is the box. It's just a regular brown box. Got the picture of the two cameras right there. Blackvue Cloud. And then the description of the camera. And then on the back, you have the information. And I'm just covering my my serial number here or there. But anyways, let's open this up. I already undid the seals right here. When you open this up, the first thing you have inside is you got the instruction manual. Got that. Got the little thing from Black Box My Car. Enjoy 5% off your next purchase. There you go. That's what's right there. All right. Next thing we have in the box is we will take this out. You've got the front camera right there. Looks pretty good. And this is a little cover for the front camera. I'll be mounting this in my next video. Got the back camera in here, right there. And then that's the box that came in right there. Nothing else in here. I can put that to the side. And then let's see what else is in here. Let's see if I can take this out. I guess this will be the cables right here. And that's it in the box. What else is included? Let's take all this out. All right, looks like this is the power cord right here. Got the power cord right there. Or got a different power cord. I have two power cords. Well, probably one is a power cord to go to the back camera, and the other one is a power cord with a cigarette lighter to the car. We've got the video cord. I guess this looks like between the two cameras. And you got your mounting hardware, and also things and a prior to help pry whatever you need out. And you also have an SD card inside too. All right, that's what's in that box. Filter box. See what's in here. Got that. Just the instruction manual and the CPO lens. So that's just a short video of what is inside the box. So I will post a video soon of the install of the system. All right, see you guys in the next video.